fixing one of the biggest productivity traps ever. Thinking you have free time because your tasks are hiding somewhere else. If your calendar only shows you events, your day can look way more open than it actually is. Let's fix that with Pocket Informant's Agenda View. First, head into Settings. Then, tap Enable Views and make sure your Agenda View is turned on here. Now, go back to your calendar. Tap the Calendar View selector down at the bottom and choose Agenda View. And boom! Now you can see your events and your tasks all together in one clean timeline. No more accidentally scheduling your entire life on top of your actual responsibilities. I love this for us. Well, that's it for today's Pip Tip, guys. Try Agenda View for a few days and watch your schedule suddenly become suspiciously honest. I will catch you guys in the next stream. Bye-bye.